How to adjust flashlight width and brightness on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Here, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Control Center. The Control Center provides quick access to frequently used settings and apps. From here, tap on the flashlight icon to turn it on. Now, if you tap on the flashlight icon on the top on your dynamic island, you can use your finger to drag it around to adjust. You can drag it up or down to adjust the brightness, or left or right to adjust the width. Let's go back to the home screen again. As you can see, the flashlight icon will be displayed above. Tap on it again and make your desired adjustments as shown. Following these steps, you can easily adjust flashlight width and brightness on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.